Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. And look, I'm wearing makeup since someone was commenting that I didn't wear makeup in my last Ipsy spoilers video. So I'm wearing makeup. This isn't a spoilers video, but anyway. I wear makeup 99% of the time. Sorry I didn't wear makeup in one video talking about spoilers. Anyway, it's my wedding anniversary with my hubby over there. So we're in the kitchen because I'm not cooking, but I'm gonna be talking about some sneaky peeky sneaky. So let's get into Icon Box. This was sent to me free in a PR. This is not sponsored. If you do want to sign up for Ipsy, down below there is a link to save you some money, and I make a little commission. If you do that, it's much appreciated. Let me know down below if you do. So let's get into Icon Box. The icons are John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. There you go. I'll have all the prices on the screen of all the products. So first we have from Chrissy Teigen's brand, which is called Cravings. Cute. I got a cookie mix. It is vegan. If you wanted to know, it does have soy and wheat, but it is vegan. You just need to add vegan butter and a egg replacement, and that's it. So yeah, got that. And then I got 2 cleansers. I also will put on the screen if a product is not cruelty free. I do not know about all these brands, but this is from, let's see, this is from Loved01, which is John Legend's skincare brand. It's his exfoliating cleanser. Rose, it's like kind of scratched up. I don't know if you can see that. It has, I don't know, some blemishes on it. Blemishes for skincare brand. Rose hip and sea buckthorn oils deeply moisturize natural bamboo, gently exfoliates and cleans. Aloe vera calms, blah, 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 blah. There's his brand. And then we also got another cleanser. One of my friends, Felicia Budget Beauty, also got 2 cleansers. Also is all mangled, but I don't know why we got 2 cleansers. This is from Femu Brilliant Cleansing Gel Dental Face Wash. We already got a face wash, but okay. And then we got from The Ordinary. This is the multi-peptide eye serum. We always get eye gels, but and eye creams. I do like The Ordinary. And then we got from Dry Bar, we got the Final Call Frizz and Static Control Mist. I mean, hello. All the products smell really good. And then this is not vegan. This has carmine in it, so that will be going to a family member. It does feel nice and weighted, but this is from El Maquillage. We've gotten a lot of products from them, and they all get gifted to family and friends. This is the Color Boss Master Palette. Treat yourself. I wish I could, but it's not vegan, so it has carmine. And then we have from Kate Berkey, the Reversal Lift and Fill Form Control Marine Collagen Gel. I don't know if this is vegan. I need to check. And then we got a moisturizer from MZ Skin by Dr. Mariam Zamani, Calming Moisturizer. And then we got the JLo Beauty Beso Balm Ultra Hydrating Lip Mask. And then last but not least, we got something from Dennis Myricks. This is a liquid liner, and it is a felt tip. I put it right there, and look. This is hours later. It is not moving, but I'm glad that it's not. It's a brush tip, not a felt tip. This is her Dennis Myricks' Line Work Paintbrush Fluid Eyeliner in the shade Onyx. So that was what we got in Icon Box. Now let's get into Boxycharm by Ipsy. I do pay for Boxycharm by Ipsy, but this is, again, sent to me in PR. I don't choose any of the products. So we got from Vacation. I do have the Vacation fragrance as well as the body oil, which we really like. This is the Classic Lotion from Vacation, the SPF 30 sunscreen. Excited about that, and it's gonna smell good, which is gonna be nice. And then I got from Ofra with Hot Mess Mama, Rhonda. I was just watching her Ipsy video. I did not finish it yet, but congratulations, Rhonda. I do really like her liquid lipstick from Ofra. But this is her palette with Oprah, some neutrals, a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. I don't know if these are the same shade, these 2 here, but it does look really pretty. I haven't decided if I'm gonna use it. I don't see any carmine in there or anything that wouldn't be vegan. So it does look really pretty. Just a nice, like, I don't know, neutral palette. I wish I had some neutral couple pops. I wish I had more shimmers personally, but you know, it's not my brand. And then we got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'll probably put this in a giveaway. I've tried this a couple times. And then I got some brushes from BYOD face brush set. Probably will use those. I love brushes. This will probably go in a giveaway. This is from Lovecraft Beauty. It is a lip liner and lip brush. It has like a triangle. I'll just open it, but I'm not gonna swatch it. I do like the shiny packaging. It has a lip brush and then a little alien too. And then a lip liner, like a triangle shape, almost like one of those brow pencils. So I'm not gonna try that because I will be putting that in a giveaway once I get monetized. And that is what I got in Boxycharm By Ipsy. When this goes up, this will be choice day for Boxycharm By Ipsy, by the way. And then for Ipsy Glam bag, last but not least, we have this cute bag. I think it's like a purpley pink. My husband says purple. I don't know, it's purpley pink, but it's not a lilac. But it has glam and it's raised like a varsity and green tag. And then we have from YC collection. I think this is a eyeshadow. It's a highlighter and creamsicle. Obviously, this is way too dark for me. Probably going in giveaway or friends and family. This is not cruelty free. This is from The Professional, the matte primer. Not going to be using that. It's going to a friend or family. I have one of these. This is from e.l.f. the Glow Reviver lip oil in the shade Pink Quartz. I have Honey Talks, so I'm excited about that. And then we got a brush because I don't have enough brushes. I'm just kidding. I think this is SL Miss Glam. Yeah, this is the eyeshadow brush P12. Good shader, like outer corner. And then last but certainly not least, we have from Kira Moon. I feel like I have this, or I gave this to my friend. And I had a cleanser that I gave to my friend. From Kira Moon, Flower Melon Super Hydra Serum. So that's what we got in Ipsy Glam bag. Let's get into the spoilers that I see currently at the moment from this. Okay, so Boxycharm By Ipsy, the spoilers that I do see for September. We have the Glass Skin Tint Tang Shine Muscat Cleanser, $29. And then we have from Drybar, I have tried this before. I think I have it upstairs actually. The Triple Sec 3-in-1 Texturizing Finishing Spray. And then we have from El Maquillage Mineral Baked Blush, $36. Then we have from Misha Beauty, the Contour Stick. And then we have from Derm Elect Rapid Repair Barrier Balancing Serum. And then we have from Galactic, it is their Rose Petal Dewy Face Mist. Let me see if I see any other spoilers. And this month, by the way, the theme was the Beauty Olympics. Any other spoilers, I will put them on the screen now. Stay tuned for my full spoilers video in a few weeks, and stay tuned for my paid for unboxing whenever that comes, and maybe like in a couple weeks. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. And I usually do it more professional, but you know, also I like to be realistic here and relatable. Like, I'm in my PJs, you know, living my life. Gonna watch some 90 Day Fiance tell all. So yeah, if you want to talk about that in the comments, let me know. I watch every single episode of every single series, so we can chat about that in the comments if you would like. So as always, stay safe, healthy, and always do something that makes you happy. Bye.